Salah, prayer, is a mechanism that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has designed for us for solution to problems and for success in life. With all these problems and difficulties that were happening, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam the gift of salah. Because in salah, by praying salah, we were taught in hadith that the closest position that a person gets to Allah is when that person is in sajda. See, so salah is a physical, spiritual connection and communication with Allah. An opportunity to cry to Allah, to seek Allah's mercy, Allah's guidance, Allah's forgiveness, Allah's acceptance.